A sketchbook isn't just a book. It's a haven for creative expression. First and foremost, the sketchbook is a catalyst for easy and rapid art creation. Imagine a space where the pressure to create a flawless masterpiece fades away. Unlike a daunting blank canvas, the sketchbook encourages spontaneity. It's a realm where ideas flow effortlessly, allowing for quick exploration of concepts. Every stroke becomes a part of a narrative that unfolds seamlessly. But here's the liberating truth. Your sketchbook doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, it thrives on imperfections. It's a canvas where the unfinished and the experimental are not just accepted but celebrated. This shifts the focus from the relentless pursuit of flawlessness to relishing the joy of painting for its own sake. Each page tells a story of growth, experimentation, and the beauty found in the unexpected. Now let's talk about practicality. The sketchbook is your portable art studio. Whether you're sipping coffee in a bustling cafe or enjoying the serenity of nature, it transforms every moment into an opportunity for artistic expression. It's a creative companion that fits snugly in your bag, making art accessible anytime, anywhere. In essence, a sketchbook is not just a collection of drawings. It's a visual journey. It's a testament to your creative evolution. If you're an aspiring artist or seasoned creator, consider embracing the sketchbook journey. It's a space for growth, spontaneity, and the sheer joy of painting without the chains of perfection.